Hi, I'm Skip to my Lizzle. Have you decided that you like my content? Ah! When did this become a horror game? Well, if you have, I assume you already have a Twitch account. So the best thing you can do to support me for free is to go ahead and click that follow button. I'd also like you to click notifications on, but that's not necessarily required. And then just hang out in my streams and chat with others. That really is the best way to help me for free. However, there is a way you can take it to the next level.
And this is to go even further beyond!
If you have an Amazon Prime account, you can actually support me in another way by subscribing for free. What you need to do is go to twitchprime.com up there. You go up here and sign in, and then you can actually link your Twitch account and your Amazon account. Now, once you've done all that, go back to twitch.tv/skiptomylizzle. And once you're there, you can go up to the subscribe button area here, and it will say subscribe for free. Free subscription with Twitch Prime. You don't have to remember to cancel anything. This ends every single month, so there's nothing to worry about at all. A one-time deal. If you want to subscribe to me in further months, you just come back and do it again. There's nothing to remember to cancel. You'll never be charged. And that's basically it. So, if you want to help me out, I greatly appreciate it. And thanks for your time today on the wonderful world of the internet.